above the table, above the yellow line, let's say.
The first one. First row.
Ah, here.
Yes.
Oh, just I can delete.
Right.
Yeah, like why did you have that blank row?
I just leave one blank row. I don't have
A reason.
a reason. Yes, I don't have a reason.
I'm asking to be so. I'm not trying to be like, oh, why did you do that? But the thing is, that will be really annoying for computers. If some computer
Yes, of course. Yeah.
it will make it very annoying. So you only want to design your spreadsheets to be kind of machine consumable if possible. So don't have blank rows unless you need to. Don't put metadata at the bottom of your table. If you really need metadata, like the source for your data, put that in a new row. Sorry, new column.
Yes.
Yeah, put that in a column where you say, okay, I'm using this one, or even it's a separate table and you reference that table. You start normalizing, right? Okay. And put notes if possible somewhere else. If you have to have footnotes, I would add another column for them. You know? Okay. Now. Okay. So great. Now what the point would be, if you wanted to come up with an overall price, you'd need to have some way to weight the different prices to come up with an overall kind of weighted price. Yeah. You need something to kind of say, okay, this kind of user, they're going to use 50 gigabytes of storage. They're going to use this amount of traffic, this amount of out traffic, this number of operations. They would be paying this amount per month, because that would allow you to actually compare providers. Imagine I'm this kind of user with this kind of needs. What would happen? Yeah. Uh-oh, baby getting hungry alert. Baby getting hungry alert. Okay. Okay. So do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I also wanted to take a moment if someone else would like to share, because Igor's been absolutely great. But where did you get data from? Like, where did you guys find data? Igor's mentioned one place. But I'd like to understand what was your search like? Can I look at your scrapbook? I want to see someone's notebook of their search. Like, normally there should be lots of like pasted URLs and
I have on my spreadsheet.
Huh?
Igor, can you share my? Thanks. I have 16 blank rows over the tables. Can you scroll down, Igor, please? A little bit. My tables were all at the top of this worksheet, but I put some charts.
Yeah. Yeah, I got that. Just generally, it's not great because it's very human-oriented versus very machine-oriented. We want to be quite machine-oriented, if you can be. But great. But what I'm asking is, where did you go find stuff? Like, where's your notebook? Is this the notebook here?
Some short part of my notebook.
Okay.
In Notepad, I was tracking what I'm doing in Notepad, and after all,
So Dragan, where's your notepad? Can you show me your notepad?
Just a moment to try to find it.
Okay, because this is what, do you remember the steps that I wrote out in doing research? I think is it in the apprentice guide now?
Yes, I did that way.
Right. So
I can describe by words what I did.
Yeah, but I want to see your notebook because that will help me. That's good.
Just to try to find that notebook. Just a moment, please.
Okay, while he's doing that, does anyone know what was the answer? Who is the cheapest storage provider at the moment?
Amazon.
Yeah, they're cheaper than Google?
I think Google is the cheapest.
Okay, so who just said Amazon? Igor. Yeah?
Rob.
Rob said Amazon. Who said Google?
I say Google.
Who's Monica? Great.
Monica.
Monica, can you show us why you think it's Google? Can you share your screen quickly?
Yeah, sure. Are you seeing my screen right now?
I'm
Yep.
seeing your screen.
Okay, wait a sec. Where do I have Google? There.
Google Cloud is on top.
So
I think that right-hand side looks good. The 8-column HL cost estimated for 1 terabyte. That looks kind of good.
for 1 terabyte.
On
Ah,
column
yeah,
A&M.
exactly. Yeah, that was what I was.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's actually, you're saying it's actually almost 2/3 of the price of AWS.
Mm.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Is that
Right.
really correct? That seems incredible, but okay. It's that different? I don't understand how it's that.
So what do you mean?
That seems, well, I just don't understand how it comes out that different, because over on the left it says AWS 2 cents per gigabyte, and Google Cloud is the same. So how do those prices end up so different on the right? That's what
But
I'm
it's like 0.023, and here,
okay. So we need another decimal
Like-
place, I think.
yeah.
Okay, so that column needs another decimal place. Another thing, by the way, about having multiple columns, like you've done it, like multiple tables in one sheet, which is bad practice. Very bad practice. Why? If you want to change the formatting of a column right now, you'll mess with your table below. Like if you did the natural thing, don't try and avoid wherever possible putting multiple tables in one sheet. If you're probably doing proper formal stuff like this, sometimes it's appropriate. Sometimes. But if you are going to do it, I do them side by side, like you did with the provider cost estimator and stuff.